Oh, sweet.
I got my very first espresso coffee machine, and I wanted something that was under $100 that wouldn't break the bank. So I went with the Chulux that you can get off of Amazon. Now you might ask, well, what is cappuccino? Cappuccino is an espresso. An espresso means it's a higher concentrated coffee, and it's made with milk foam that's steamed. And what happens with a cappuccino machine is that it'll use pressure, water pressure, into the coffee, and it'll actually make it like a light foam. And so this particular model, the Chulux, uses a 20 bar system, so it'll actually put 20 times the atmospheric pressure of water into the capsule that will create the foam and mix the coffee with the milk that's inside the capsule. Now this particular model, the Chulux, uses the Nespresso, and that's a brand name, and you can get that anywhere. Amazon, Walmart, any grocery store will have the little capsules. It's kind of like the K-Cups for coffee. And so the one reason I went with the Chulux, and we will be doing an unboxing, and we'll actually make some espresso with my Chulux at the end of this video. But the one reason I got this particular one, it had a lot of good reviews. It was very lightweight and compact, so it seemed very easy to operate. I saw the videos online, and I thought, why not? So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of it. And I'm pretty excited to see. All right, like I said, it's very compact and lightweight. And right here we have the little water reservoir that we put our water in. And it actually does two types of coffee. It'll do the espresso, which is a little larger amount, and it'll actually do a lungo, which is a smaller shot that you can do. As you can see here, this is where you would put the cup at, and it's adjustable, so you can actually put like the espresso larger mug here, or you can do like the little shot right there with the lungo. And it's got the two buttons here with the lungo and the espresso. And then as you can see right here, that's where we put like our Nespresso coffee that we're going to do here in a second. And I like the quality of it. Let's go ahead and make some espresso.
All right, let's try out our Chulux Cappuccino coffee making machine. So on Amazon, I got this for $5. It's medium roast Arabic Nespresso coffee. These are our Nespresso cups. Let's go ahead and fill our 24-ounce reservoir here. Go ahead and fill it up to the rim. So that fits 24 ounces. So I'm going to make the lungo, which is the larger cup. And so I'm going to be pressing this button. If you press this button, it's like a little shot of espresso, which makes it more concentrated. But I want more of a coffee taste, so that's why I'm going to get the lungo. Alright, and so I got a bigger cup than like a little shot glass. I'm going to pull that up, put this under there, lift this up, go ahead and pop this in, and it's going to take a little resistance when you push this down. And we'll go ahead and push the bigger one, which is the lungo, and that should take about 20 seconds to warm up the water. And with the espresso, it takes about 8 seconds. Well, actually, the lungo takes about 8 seconds, and once it's completely warm, as you can see here, it's blinking. And then the lungo takes 8 seconds. The espresso takes about 3 seconds. All right, when your two lights up here are blinking, that means it's in preheating mode. And so when they're completely solid like this, it means it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and do our lungo, which is the larger one. Okay, let's taste this. We'll put a little bit of cinnamon on the top of mine. That's not bad.